Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on and confirming the battery is sufficient. Hold the power button until the LED pulses. Once done, open the Beats app to check for a firmware update and install it if present. This fixes performance and adds features. Next, put the headphones in pairing mode by holding the power button until the indicator flashes, then select Beats Studio Pro on your device. Make sure you allow Bluetooth permissions. This ensures uninterrupted audio and full control over settings. Once paired, focus on audio and control customization so they work the way you want. Open the app to toggle active noise canceling versus transparency. Slide the control for balance that suits your environment because ANC strength affects battery life. Then pick an EQ preset or craft a custom curve, boost bass for movies, flatten for mixing. Make sure to map touch or button actions. Set play/pause, voice assistant, and ANC toggle to gestures you'll remember. Test action. To finish, adopt habits that keep the headphones reliable in daily use. Use multipoint to connect a phone and laptop simultaneously, and pause one source if playback conflicts. This avoids unexpected audio switching. If controls become unresponsive or Bluetooth drops, perform a factory reset. Hold power and volume buttons together until LEDs flash, then repair your devices. Finally, check firmware and battery weekly. Keeping software current prevents bugs. If problems persist after reset and updates, contact support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.